Grace wishes she could chase the feather toy, but she can't, 'cause she's stuck. Velcro is stuck. Velcro wishes she could go elsewhere, but Velcro is stuck. Look at poor Velcro. Come on, Velcro. Unstuck yourself. Come on, Velcro. You need my help. Okay, I'll help you. Don't pull, don't pull. Don't pull. There you go. Are you better now? Velcro is now attached. She's attached. Oh Lord, I love this cat. Grace, are you stuck? Are you stuck? Are you stuck, baby? Oh, I'm so glad I kept that foam. Come and get it. Come and get it. Come on. I know you want it. Come and get it. Oh, you're unstuck. Unstuck, cat.